Summer is here. Kids are home, so that means enjoy some delicious cold treats. I have the perfect recipe today for the blazing hot days among us. It's a blue raspberry lemonade slushy. And besides being delicious, this drink is kid-friendly, so you can get the whole family involved. All you need for this recipe is 1 box of berry blue jello, lemon lime soda, fresh lemon juice, and 1 cup of water. To get started, get your water boiling and then stir in the box of berry blue jello until it's dissolved. Add the lemon lime soda and the fresh lemon juice and stir it in. This will need to go in the freezer for about 4 hours or until it's completely frozen. The hard part about this recipe is the waiting. Once the mixture is frozen, remove it from the freezer and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you're ready to serve. Fill a glass halfway with the slushy mixture and then pour in the lemon lime soda to top it off. You can pretty much fix this up the way you want, so add more soda if you like less slush and more drink. Now to add the final summer touch, add a slice of lemon and some fresh berries for garnish. Isn't this perfect for the next outdoor patio party or holiday celebration? Hurry on over to Price Chopper to grab these ingredients. Make sure you grab extra because these will be a hit. That's all for today. I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.